I am just heading online to go on the other slide, not the one I showed you in the previous clip. On Mountain Creek right now. And yeah, give us some updates when I get back. Let's bring some updates. Yeah, I don't know if you heard me, but I won't bring some updates. I'd like to explain some manual updates that I just said in the last clip, but I am working on Season 3. I need to get the right ragdolls for Gary's mod, and me and the Red Fox crew are working on a live-action movie about the Gary's mod, World of Ellie Perez, but we're going to probably work on that when we finish the whole series, because we're 2 seasons away from ending the whole series. So yeah, I'll explain more updates after a few other clips. So yeah. Freeline. This is the way out, huh? This is the way out. With some people in my school, if they're willing to, and they'll need to buy their stuff too. So yeah. Guys ready? Made it.